Hi guys, we're late for boarding on the airplane.
We're waiting for boarding.
You. Good. Hi Tito.
Hi. Where are we going, Clementine?
They're on the airplane.
Okay. Thunder, where are we going?
On
Istanbul.
Istanbul.
Where are we going? Okay, say bye now. Hey guys, welcome back to this video. So for today, we are heading back to Istanbul from Cappadocia. We will be spending 2 more days to see the historical city of Istanbul before we head back to Chicago.
Hi guys, we're on Istanbul. We're down on the airplane.
And we're going to hotel?
No. We're not going to hotel. We're going to Istanbul.
Oh yeah, we're in Istanbul. Look at the airport. Istanbul is so nice. Ay. So guys, finally we're here in Istanbul. This is like few more days remaining before we get back to Chicago, so we're just enjoying the remaining days. Tomorrow we're gonna be going back to Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, I forgot the name, but the Blue Mosque. But we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna check some restaurants or food tomorrow and some souvenirs too. But today it's like 8 p.m. here. We're gonna check into our room, get our luggage, and we should be good for the night. Say bye bye guys.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later. Daddy.
Wow.
We're never late, always on time, and never lost anything.
Daddy, thunder.
Hi guys, we're back. We're back here.
Hi guys. Hi guys. For today we're going on on the castle.
Clementine, you wanna say hi?
No.
Say hi.
No.
Clementine's acting up.
No.
Say hi.
No.
Good morning, everyone. We're going back to the Hagia Sophia today, and then we'll walk around the mosque as well.
Okay, good.
I found it.
Oh, you found it. Good. Good morning, guys. So today our one full day. First, we have 2 remaining days now left in Istanbul. So we're going to again to Hagia Sophia and the Sultanahmet Area, and we'll try to explore also other areas of Istanbul. I know there's still a lot that we've never been to. I think we're going to Galata Tower too, and the bridge. So we're gonna try to explore it today. The weather is nice. I think it's going to be 58 degrees today. It's cloudy, but not bad. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. All right, let's go.
Since our hotel is in the Sultanahmet area, we decided to go back to the Hagia Sophia since it was a 3-minute walk.
Ready?
She post another picture.
Now we're back in Istanbul.
Yeah, like something that, but not the same thing like this. So it sounds maybe the ice cream. Something
I want
like
this one. I'll never get tired of this view.
Again, like we just saw that picture, guys.
Thunder, you wanna say something? Here.
Hi guys.
Oh wait.
The Hagia Sophia.
We're here in the Hagia Sophia. Hold
Hi
it.
guys. Okay. Hi guys. We're on the Fia.
Hagia Sophia.
Hi Fia.
Stay right there. Stay right there. I'll take that. You too, Clementine. Right there. Stop.
Come on. Hi guys, they were going to Hafia. Yeah!
Hi Clementine. Are you in 𝐵𝐔𝐃𝐒? Okay. Yola, are you excited? Okay. Although this is our second time, we were still amazed by how beautiful the Hagia Sophia. It's amazing to know that this building has existed for over 1,000 years. Let's go, Thunder.
We're going here.
We're going inside. Hello, good morning.
This gate is only for the Turkish citizens.
Oh, okay. Where should we go?
You can follow the signs, okay?
Signs right here. Okay, thank you. So there was a separate gate for Turkish descents.
Oh, really?
There's like a separate gate for the Turkish descents. When we first came here last time, we were not. It was different. This time it's different. Yeah, I think this one. So where's the entrance? Probably there. Oh, right here, other nationalities. So you see that one guy? So if you're Turkish citizens, you go there. That's the entrance. And then if you are other nationalities, then you go to this side. That's the Sultanahmet Mosque on the other side. So they're like next to each other. It's very nice area to stay here. Actually, in the summer, I think this is also the best. But it's going to be very packed during summer. I heard from the locals that every year they get like almost like 6 million tourists. So the line. You could imagine the line here during summer. It's going to be very difficult to go inside the mosque. So guys, we just found out something today that effective today, January 15, there is already an entrance going to Hagia Sophia. I think the entrance is €30 or $35 USD. So you have to fall in line. That's the line, getting a ticket. We were so lucky last week because when we first came, it was free and there was no line. So we were able to get inside right away. But right now, the line is so heavy.
Hey everyone, we're right now enjoying our last couple days here in Istanbul before we head back to Chicago. Right now we're just strolling around the mosque and enjoying the view one last time. Bye! Visiting Istanbul was very memorable. We enjoyed the hospitality of the Turkish people, the beautiful culture, and the gorgeous scenic views of the city.
Wow, there's a lot of snakes. What is this? Yep. One of the best things I enjoyed in visiting Istanbul is the history. Istanbul is the cradle link between two continents of the world, Europe and Asia. And because of the strategical location of Istanbul, a lot of historical events happen in this place.